Do this and say goodbye to stretch marks on the skin in 15 days. Stretch marks are nothing more than the breakage of the collagen and elastin fibers of the middle layer of our skin, which is the dermis. Stretch marks appear because of an extreme weight loss or gain, pregnancy or exercise to gain muscle. These usually appear on the abdomen, hips, arms and thighs in both women and men. At first when they appear they are red a dark tone and with time they become white. Today we will see some natural tips against stretch marks that will help you decrease them or get rid of them. Natural tips against stretch marks. 1. Vitamin E. We found vitamin E in foods such as avocado, egg yolk, olive oil, nuts and corn. We can also take vitamin E in capsules or oil the capsule to rub it in the affected area. 2. The avocado. With the avocado we can make a mask. Take the pulp of a ripe avocado and puree it. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix well and apply to the affected area. Massage with circular movements and let it act for 20 minutes and rinse with cold water. 3. Castor oil. Apply the castor oil in the affected area and massage the area for 5 minutes. Then cover the entire area with plastic and leave it to act for 30 minutes. Rinse with cold water. Do this for 10 consecutive days and you will see the changes in your skin. 4. Aloe vera. Aloe vera. Aloe is a skin repairer. Apply the aloe and cream or pulp directly from the plant in the affected area. Massage in circular movements for 5 minutes. Wrap the area in plastic and preferably let it act overnight. 5. Cocoa butter with coffee. Mixing cocoa butter along with ground coffee will give you a very effective product that will exfoliate and at the same time will moisturize your skin and leave all the nutrients of this mixture in your skin. Try to use it 1 time per day for 10 consecutive days and you will get radiant skin free of stretch marks.